Home values are rising, and so are the costs of materials and labor. Many homeowners have even completed renovations or upgrades. But are their policies keeping up? Start by looking at your book of business. Clients who haven't reviewed their coverage in a few years may be at risk. Use renewal data, home improvement loans, or even recent home sales in their area to identify potential gaps. Next, start the conversation. A simple check-in. Have you updated your home recently? Can open the door. Explain how increased construction costs could leave them underinsured if they ever need to rebuild. Restructuring coverage doesn't have to be complicated. Some carriers offer inflation protection or extended replacement cost options. Others may require a full reassessment. The key is making sure coverage reflects the home's true value. And one more thing. Being proactive about coverage reviews builds trust and retention. Clients rely on you to protect what matters most. Make sure they have the coverage they need before they need it.